Slide number 67. In the previous slide, 65, you learned how the 12 notes are being nicely put into a graphic format so that you understand how the intervals can be understood. As we understood the C to D or C to F by virtue of that graphic. And you found that the 3 and 4, you never had a sound in between. Again, you found the 7 and 8, no sound. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this means a scale is formed. That is the beauty of the theory of music. You understand that with this, a scale is arrived at C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and what notes you are going to perform. Why not the black keys? Why not black keys means we don't get the black keys involved in if you start from C to C. But when will these keys come to performance in your scales? So see the graphic picture. 1, 2, 3. 3 and 4 is the only place no sound. 7 and 8 is the only place no sound. With this concept, if you start creating your own scales, you can find all the scales and write it down, and the scales will be perfect on this formula. That 3 and 4, 7 and 8 intervals, you will not get any sounds in between. They are semitones. 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 So 3 and 4, 7 and 4. That will be carried to all the scales that you play. Suppose let's start in this slide. From G to G we are going to play without applying any formulas. So G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You find that there is some unusual sound. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's not sounding like a scale as we are used to listen. Sarigama Pada Nisa. So what would have happened? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4 semitone formula is applied now. It's correct. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's not semitone. So wrong. For G, semitone will be this sound, F sharp. So the new sharp is born. The black key is coming into existence with the G scale. C, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Now you feel that the scale is perfect because you're familiar with the sargam. Sarigama pada nisa, sarigama pada nisa, or G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So now you feel that yes, it's correct. So the new key is born from G to G if we choose all the white. But where will the black keys come? 3rd and 4th? No. 7 and 8? Yes, 7 has to be sharp. Then the 8 is semitone. So with this formula, any scale you can. For example, if I want to play D scale, it's not sounding like the C scale. Or it's so complete and perfect. But now in this one, it's not at all. It may have a new name. It's a different name. It's a different subject. But forming a scale with the principle of 3rd and 4th, 7 and 8, you get a proper scale. So D is the destination now. A scale. Suppose you want to sing a song in D. How will you know what notes you want to play? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and 4 is not correct. So if I make this as 3, then the 3 and 4 semitone happens. 1, 2. Oh my God, it sounds great. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 7 and 8 should be semitone. So 7 should be this, 3 should be this. Then my D scale, I got it. D, E, F sharp, D, A, B, C sharp, D. So any song you can play. Oh my God, so correct it is. T, C, sharp, B, A, D, F, E, D, G, G, M, P, D, Sa. So I took with the same application of 3rd and 4th system, 7 and 8, I could make my D scale. I can make any scale. So if you know this formula, future scales are very easy for you. Good luck to you.